For day 8 notes, for letter A, you have to find your point and your slope in order to make point-slope form. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our slope, which is rise over run. So I'm going to rise 4, and I'm going to run 2. And 4 over 2, we know, reduces to 2. And then you can pick any point you want on the line. I'm just going to pick this point here because it's to the left, the furthest to the left. So I'm going to go with -3, +2. And you guys should know that that is x and y, and we always write x1, y1 when we're using point-slope form. So then the formula for point-slope form is right here, but it might be a little bit easier to look at it in this view. So we're going to go y minus y1. Well, y1 is a +2. And then we have slope, which is 2. Okay, we reduce that to 2. And then x minus x1, and x1 is -3. Now, in the previous day notes, we talked about if we have that double negative there, we need to change that to a plus sign. All right, now the directions say we want to go from point-slope form to slope-intercept form. So transform to slope-intercept form. And how do we do that? Well, we need to distribute this 2. So 2 times x, 2 times 3. And then to get the y by itself, we're going to add 2 to the other side. So y equals 2x plus, add those, we get 8. All right, now we have to go from slope-intercept form to standard form, and that's when you want x and y on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and it's like canceling this out. Okay, so I have -2x plus y equals 8. All right, same thing for letter B. So we got to find the m. So it looks like we're going to have to go down. So I go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. And that reduces to -3. Then we look at our point, and it's the most left point, so that would be this one here. And that would be 2, 4. And of course, that's x1 and y1. We have our slope is -3. And then we could use this to help us write our equation. So we've got y minus y1, and y1 is 4, equals slope. Okay, slope is -3. And then x minus x1 is 2. Now, to go from PSF to SIF, I need to distribute. So y minus 4, multiply these, we get -3x. Multiply again, a -3 times -2 is +6. And then lastly, we're going to add 4. So we have y equals -3x. We combine, we get 10. All right, now, to go from SIF to SF, we're adding 3x to the other side. So we have 3x plus y, and that equals 10. All right.